Ollie, you better not get in that tree bowl. This is your last night, Ollie. And you're getting a new name too, Mr. Brinkley. Are you a good boy? Yeah, acting like you're not going to get in the tree bowl. Let's see how long it takes you. How long does it take? You're just going to be a good boy. You are. Oh, Ollie. Ollie, look up. Look up, honey. Ollie. You're a good boy. You're so sweet. Yeah, you're going to your forever home tonight. You're a good boy. Yes, you are. Yeah. Even though you're sitting there eating a tree root that you're not supposed to do. Ollie. Yes. You know your name, huh? You're a good boy. Yeah. How much trouble can you get in? What are you doing, Ollie? What happens if the squeaky goes? Huh? What's that? Where is it? Oh, everybody comes to the squeaky. It's a party, a puppy party. Yep, they all come to the squeaker. All right. The gang celebrated Ollie's last night.